Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the steps to find winning products on Zendrop that you can start selling for your dropshipping business. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking for new product ideas, this guide will help you leverage Zendrop effectively. Let's begin by taking a quick look at Zendrop. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my Zendrop account. This platform is straightforward to use, similar to other dropshipping platforms like or below. It allows you to connect your store, primarily Shopify, and find products that you can import directly into your store with just few clicks. Zendrop offers a number of tools for discovering trending and winning products. For instance, if you head over to the Find Products section, you'll notice a variety of available products that you can import and sell. However, what we are going to focus on today is how to identify products that are likely to perform well in your store. Zendrop has a feature called Top Trending Products, which highlights items that are popular at the moment. This is a great place to start if you're unsure of what products to add to your store. The only downside is that this feature is available exclusively for users subscribed to Zendrop Plus. If you don't have access to this premium feature, don't worry. We'll show you how to find winning products using alternative methods. So in order to find winning products with the alternative methods, you will have to first of all click on the Trending Products section at the left corner of your screen. Now, you will have to click on Find Products at the left corner of your screen, and in the Find Products section, select Ship from Anywhere. Now, do your market research and choose whether you want to ship the product from US or China. So suppliers usually give great offers and the products are cost effective if you import it from China. So we'll select Ship from China. Now choose all categories and be specific about your product. The key is to look for products that already have a high number of sales and good customer reviews. On this homepage, you will see all these sections. We'll have to do the filtering. So be specific about what your product is. For example, if my product is in home and kitchen niche, I will select home and kitchen and do your market research and select a supplier that gives best products in cost effective range. So I'm going to choose all suppliers in this. You can be specific about your supplier if you wish. Now navigate to price range and apply the filter for price range between $1 to $500 in this and click on apply. Now you'll find all the products that will be based on these filters. You'll have to click on each of these products one by one. You'll have to choose the best product that you can see in this range and click on that product's image. Now you'll have to click on Add to My Products and navigate to My Product section. In this, click on Review and Publish. Now click on Publish to My Store and you'll have to click here to start dropshipping with Zendrop. Now you'll have to choose a platform to dropship with. Click on Continue. Now choose a platform, then click on Continue again. Add your Zendrop to a Shopify store, TikTok store, or any of the stores that you wish and proceed with that product. While it's essential to focus on trending products, offering a variety of products is also important. Zendrop allows you to import products from a wide range of categories including fashion, accessories, electronics, and home goods. The more options you offer, the higher your chances of meeting different customer needs. In addition to bestsellers, Zendrop also highlights featured products and top brands. These are high quality and reliable products from brands that people trust. Selling well-known brands can build credibility for your store and increase sales. Another tactic to consider is focusing on niche products. Products that cater to specific interests and hobbies can perform exceptionally well, especially if you're targeting a specific audience. For example, products related to fitness, home decor, or gadgets can attract dedicated customer bases. So Zendrop allows you to use filters to narrow down your search results, and you can filter by price, number of the sales, ratings, and more. This helps you focus on products that meet your specific criteria for winning products. Always remember, not every product will be a winner right away. It's essential to test multiple products in your store and analyze their performance. Look for patterns in what sells well and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Now you'll also find this section that says Access Trending Products. Click on this and you will see a prompt appearing. It says upgrade your plan to access this feature. Click on try Zendrop Plus now. So you will have all these features if you upgrade to a Zendrop Pro plan. You'll have print on demand, Zendrop AI, weekly live coaching calls, $100 in order credits, 24/7 support, trending products section, product bundles, automated fulfillment, subscription boxes, and all these benefits associated with it with $79 per month. Click on Try Zendrop Plus now and enter your payment information, click on Confirm and buy Zendrop Plus. That will be the best way to find trending products on Zendrop Plus. That will be hassle-free and more effective way of finding the best winning products on Zendrop. And that's it for today's video. We hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of how to find winning products on Zendrop. By focusing on bestsellers and high-rated products and using the available tools, you'll be able to build a successful dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and thanks for watching.